place I work at is sending me to India, of all places, for a job. And I'm on my way to buy a new suitcase because the last suitcase I bought got obliterated at the airport. Let's see. Maybe that one? Ooh, they got it in blue.
Alright, I just made it to the airport. We've got a 2-hour flight to Dallas, a 14-hour flight to Doha, and then another 4-hour flight to India. I'll let you know if I make it.
Good morning, it is 7 o'clock a.m. in Hyderabad. I'm filming just about everything on my phone. I didn't bring a camera this trip, but my fiance got me this really cool thing. Check it out. So, suctions to just about anything. Put it on the mirror. And put it on picture frames. And voila, it just hangs there. So nice. Put you back on the window so I have a little bit more light. But here in the financial district in Hyderabad, there is a brewery right down the street, I'm told, called Red Rhino. And we're gonna see if we can get there for lunch today. But for now, let's go downstairs and get some breakfast. I heard the breakfast here at the Sheraton Hotel in the financial district is immaculate. So let's go check that out. Thank you, sir. Beautiful. All right, so we ordered a veggie omelet, a hash brown patty. We got a tomato, some mixed fruit, some pork sausage, chicken sausage, potato wedges, and a pastry with also some watermelon juice and a latte. I'm on my way to the factory to get some work done, and then hopefully we can find something to do tonight. So the elevator's broken, so we're taking the stairs. 9 flights. Oh, see you at the bottom. All right, we are on the road. We're gonna see if we can find a ride to the restaurant and get some food. Red Rhino. About a 5-minute ride. I think it was about 8 kilometers from the hotel, but we are on our way. The traffic in high-tech city isn't as bad as other areas. It's actually less crowded because most of the people during the day here are in the offices that go to work. So it's nice not having to weave in and out of all kinds of different traffic in the area. the restaurant, and look at this. That is thick. So many stuff to choose from. So this place being a brewery, they make all of their beers in-house. And so I ordered the GPB, which is their blonde ale, and I'll let you know how it is whenever it comes. Comes in a big glass. Oh, that is very good. That is very nice. So we were recommended by the waiter to get the jerk chicken. This is the jerk chicken. And I'll let you know how it is. 1 second. Well, this is good. It's very good. So the meal was about 1,500 rupees, a little bit over, which is about $17 USD. So not that bad for what we got. Now we're on our way to see if we can find the skywalk. Apparently it's over here, about a 5-minute walk. And it's supposed to be really nice. If you take the stairs, it actually shows you how many calories you're burning on the way up, which is really cool. So this walkway is actually called Mind Space Walkway, and it is right here in the middle of Knowledge City, where they have some of their learning centers and colleges, but it's also right in the mecca of all of the big businesses like Microsoft, Amazon, and IKEA. I mean, Verizon's right behind me. They've got a large mall over there, and it's right in the middle of everything. But our adventure is kind of coming to a close. We'll see if we can find a ride back to the hotel. Okay, we found our ride back to the hotel, and we got a very, very good driver. Okay, so we are back at the Sheraton with this beautiful view of the city. I got aboard an airplane in about 5 hours, so I guess the next time you see me, I'll be back in the States. See you guys in the next one.